Quarantine, day 12, Friday, March 27th. Making these quarantine math problems is starting to take a toll on my health. I've been up till 12:30 every night the past few nights. But it's worth it for the good of humanity. They need to see this time chronicled through math. To get quarantine math and InstructaBeats up and running, I spent $504 on 4 web cameras and 5 microphones. A microphone costs 4 times more than a web camera. How much money did I spend on my 5 microphones? What up, everybody? My quarantine math people, back at it again for your last challenge problem of the week. I hope this one stumps the adults, the students, everybody, whoever is watching it, right? Let's dive right in. If you are a loyal InstructaBeats or Quarantine Math subscriber, you know we love our sides check math problems here. So let's go ahead and get with our statement. And my question said, how much money did I spend for the 5 microphones? So my statement's going to say, or you could have said Mr. Butler, okay, or Mr. InstructaBeats dude if you don't know me. I spent blank dollars on 5 microphones, okay? Which means I'm going back, when I go back and listen, I'm going to be identifying anything about money and, of course, anything about microphones as well, right? So let's go back and identify. Let me get a different color. Red's bothering me. There we go. Trusty black, all right? And so I know that total, right, I spent $504, okay? So my total was $504. I know that I bought 4 webcams, okay? I know I bought 5 microphones, and then I also see a multiplicative comparison here. A microphone costs 4 times as much as a webcam, right? So a microphone is 4 times as much as a webcam. So let's go ahead, and this gives me a clue that I'm going to need at least a multiplicative comparison model. So let's go ahead and draw that out, okay? So if I have one webcam, okay, here we go. Perfect. I know that a microphone costs 4 times more than that. So I'm going to do a microphone here. And I'm going to do 4 times more than that. All right, here we go. Perfect. Now I bought 4 of these web cameras, right? And so what I need, and I bought 5 microphones. So if this is one microphone, okay, first of all I need to move this over. And then I'm going to erase this to give myself maximum room. Okay, this is one microphone. All right. Now, I bought 5 of those. So if I had 1, 2, 3, 4 for one, that means if I had 5 groups of 4, that's going to be 20, right? So I'm going to actually need 20 of these. Now, I am not going to draw all 20 because I think that would be crazy, but I can do, right, 1, 2, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20 times more than the web cameras. And I bought 4 web cameras, so I'm going to do 4 of those. That's not too bad, okay? And then again, I bought, 5 microphones, which was 4 times more for each group, which led me to 20 equal groups. And then all together, I had $504. Now, I see a bunch of equal groups, and I have 504. So I can split 504 into all of these equal groups. I had 20 equal groups for my microphone, plus 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 24 equal groups. So I'm going to divide 504 divided by 24. Okay, that's going to be 0. That's going to be 2, which is 48. You subtract, right? You get 2. You bring down the 4 here, okay? And you get 1. You multiply that, obviously that's 24. So you see that each of these groups cost $21. So the web cameras each cost $21, right? And then one microphone, which would have been 4 of those groups, would be 84, okay? Or you could so you could do 84 times 5, or you could do 20 groups of 21. Either way, you're going to get the same answer. I'll just do 84, And again, that's 20, 40, 60, 80. And then the ones would make 84. And I had, if one microphone cost 84, I had 5 of those. So I'm going to multiply that by 20. That's going to be 400 plus 2, or sorry, 40 plus 2 would be 42. So the microphones cost me $420 total. Now, if you just want to double check that, okay, I should be able to add my $84 total that my web cameras cost me to 420, right? And that should equal 504, and in fact it does. So I spent $420 on all 5 microphones combined. All right. I know I kind of rushed through that, okay? But if you're doing these challenge math problems, whether you're an adult or a kid, you're probably pretty good at math, or you're looking for a challenge, you can always go back and rewind it to review it. Maybe you solved it a different way. Maybe you solved it with an algebra equation, and that's perfect too, okay? There's no right way to solve these as long as you're developing your plan, writing an equation out, solving it, and then going back to double check it like we did by adding the 84 and 420. All right. I'm super excited for the weekend. I know you are too, although when I think about it, I'm not really sure why, because I'm going to be doing the exact same thing I'm doing now, which is staying inside watching PJ Masks. So I'm not really sure why I'm excited about it, but it feels like I should be excited about it, right? You know what I'm saying? So no matter what you're doing this weekend, wash your hands, okay? After you, whatever you're doing, wash your hands. Don't touch your face. Feeling sick, stay inside, all right? It's not worth it to go to Sky Zone and be around 50 people, okay? Tell your parents no, that's a terrible idea. We know they're tired of you being in the house, all right? I get it. I know they get it. You get it too, all right? Just, as always, stay safe, do math. I'm out.